Hello, this is a bike check for my BLB London X Orlowski. It's 53.5 centimeter center to top. Bought the frame in 2011, and I think the frame was made in 2010. Okay, let's get into the parts. First, the cockpit. The stem is a 100mm Nitto Jaguar JS, and the handlebar is Nitto B260AA, and the hand grip, it's a Uri style unbranded hand grip. It's comfy and it works well. For the handlebar, I think the width is around 40 centimeters, and move to the headset. The headset is Tange Japan NL500. Okay, let's move to the seat area. The Salo, the San Marco Concord, started to worn out. That's great. And seat post is from BLB. Diameter is 27.2 millimeters, and then the seat pin is just a regular standard seat pin. Work well, no complaint. Okay, and then we move to the drivetrain. The drivetrain using Shimano UN71 for the bottom bracket. It's an Italian thread and a 107mm spindle. It's perfect fit for the crankset. And then the crank arm. It's Dura Ace 7600 NJS. It's 172.5 millimeters long. And the chain ring, also Dura Ace 7600 NJS. It's 50 teeth. And then the paddle is MKS Sylvan with the MKS NJS stem for the cage, for the top lip. And then the strap is a single strap, black nylon, works well. And then for the chain is Izumi black, and the sprocket. The sprocket is 8-inch, 19 teeth. So the gear ratio is quite light for daily. And finally, set. The hub is Mickey Primato placed to H Plus Sun TB14 black, and the tire is again the tire, nothing special but works well. And then for the rear wheel set, also Nietzsche hub and TB14 rims from H Plus Sun. The tire is different from front wheel. It's a Vittoria Zafiro 25 millimeters. Both tire are 25 millimeters front and rear. So I guess that's all for the bike check. And thank you guys. Bye.